Hey guys, this is Chris with Bluegrass Auto Works. I'm also going to be using McKee's 37's Tire and Rubber Rejuvenator concentrate today on the floor mats from this Lexus. I've heard it works pretty well for cleaning up mats. I didn't bring my normal mat cleaner with me, so we're going to give this a try. Begin by spraying Tire and Rubber Rejuvenator directly onto the mats. Give it a couple of minutes to dwell and give it time to lift the dirt and other grime off of the mat. Once you've sprayed down all the mats with the product and given it time to dwell, take a stiff bristle brush like you see here and use it to agitate the product. Make sure you scrub the mat really well and get into all the cracks and crevices of the mat and all the tight areas. You don't want to leave behind any dirt or grime before rinsing the mat off. As you scrub the mat, you can already see the difference. You can see the dirt and grime lifting off the surface and already getting the mat much cleaner. Now we're going to scrub the other mats in the vehicle. Just like with the first one, make sure you scrub it really well and get into all the cracks and crevices. You don't want to leave behind any dirt or grime when you rinse off the mat, because once the mat dries, then you're going to notice it right away. Once you have scrubbed the mats really well, you're going to want to rinse them with water. Make sure to rinse them until the water runs clear. You don't want to leave behind any remaining product, dirt, or grime on the mat surface as it dries, because once the mat is dry, you'll see any spots that you missed. So make sure to rinse all your mats really well so you don't have to go back and do this step a second time. Even though the mats are still drying, you can see a noticeable difference in how clean they are. Tire and Rubber Rejuvenator did a great job of cleaning these mats up, and even though this is an off-label use for this product, it handled the job very well. Personally, I love products that I can use for more than one purpose. It saves me time and it saves me money. If you want to pick up Tire and Rubber Rejuvenator, then head over to McKee's37.com, where they sell it in 16-ounce sizes and gallon sizes, both in concentrated and non-concentrated forms. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.